Hi, this is Sandhya. This video will guide you through on how to configure vCloud in BMC CLM. These are the listed steps we need to follow for a successful configuration. Moving on to the first step on how to register vCloud provider. Log into Cloud Lifecycle Administration Console as a Cloud admin user. Access Provider Workspace. Click on Add and select a vCloud as an option from there. So these are the field we need to enter, like the name of the provider you want to get it registered, and the description, which is an optional. Then comes the server name, where a host name or the IP address of vCloud director server needs to be specified. Then comes the protocol. Give the credentials of a vCloud provider. Add a blueprint name prefix to identify this blueprints, and a sync time, and click on submit for the registration. So you can see on the right frame on the details we have entered. Moving on to the next step, which is onboarding logical data center. Access network container UI. Click on onboard logical data center. Select the relevant entry and click on onboard. So the onboarding activity can be captured at the end of the screen. Next step is to map tenant to logical data center. In the same screen, select map tenant option and map the CLM tenant to the logical data center. Moving to next step, which is mapping logical data center user mapping. This is the crucial step where we map the vCloud user mapping with the CLM user mappings. This can be configured in provider workspace. Select the vCloud provider created at the earlier step and select the option for user map. Enter the details of user here, like you can see the tenant, user, and save these entries. Next step is to understand service context blueprint with the vCloud context. So you can access service designer in CLM. You will see service blueprint with the prefix which we had specified while registering the provider. So the details here in the service blueprint and the details in the service context of the vCloud director are same. Like if you see the network details, CPU memory, those mappings with the service designer mapping in the CLM should be the same. Now we have provider registered, users mapped to logical data center, and service blueprints are available. For provisioning, we would need to create a service catalog and service offering. So in the service catalog screen, create a new service, enter all the details, a service name, select the service blueprint. Now create a requestable offering. This offering would be available for the end user for provisioning. So the name, then the description, specify the date by when this offering should be available. Now map this request with the tenant for which this offering should be available. Last step is submitting service offering instance. Here we will log in as an end user and we will try to submit for the requestable offering created at earlier step. Enter the service name, credentials for which the instance should be provisioned. Add to cart and submit the request. On submitting, the request would be in provisioning status. So you can see in vCloud director it's in progress. Once the request is completed, you can go through the details in vCloud director, like the CPU memory and the network details. These are pulled up from the service designer. So in CLM, the request is completed. You can view the details by clicking on these links. So CPU memory and the networks are shown up here. With the help of this video, you should be able to configure vCloud provider in BMC CLM, and you should be able to provision the vCloud SOI successfully. Thank you.